Hey, Scrappin' friends, welcome to Scrappin' It Up. I am Vanessa, and I'm doing another album share with you guys. I done it with the Spring Farmhouse collection by Simple Stories. I used a collection kit, and then I used the Simple Basic kit with it too. And then I used a cream-colored cardstock. And I had some bows from the collection and the bits and pieces, and then the cardstock stickers. So this is what I came up with. The name of this album is Diamonds Are Forever album. The spine of it measures 2 1/4. There's the back. Okay. And this is featuring my Floating Folio Hinge that I came up with. So this is kind of like a gatefold album. So when you open it up, and this one's going to be hard to keep on camera, so I'll really try to keep it on camera. So this side in the page construction mirrors this side in the page construction, okay? And I come up with the cover pages. It just kind of hides the hinge over here. And it is backed with tie back. Okay. So it just kind of covers that up. And then when folded up. Oops. My little bow come off. So the collection had these little bows. So I just attached them here. Just like that. And we'll just do one side at a time. Maybe that would be better to do. Oops, I gotta move everything over here. Okay, so then this flips, and this album does have 4 pages in it on each side, and this album will hold a lot of photos. I'm guessing probably well over 150. I haven't counted to see how many it would hold, but I'm guessing over 150. The album does measure 9 by 8. Okay, so 9 by 8. So then this flips, and then we have a pocket here. I just done up a few photo mats to go inside them, and I don't decorate the backs. I want to save room for the photos. So you have this, and then it flips, and look at this. You have some diamonds. This is why this album is called Diamonds Are Forever. Okay? And then you have a belly band here. And these just slip right back underneath the belly band. And then we have a flip here. Beautiful paper, guys. Beautiful paper by Simple Stories. It's beautiful. And then those flip. And then I made a couple of photo mats to go inside this pocket. And then this flips. I'm going to have to move it again. And here we have another diamond. So, yep, that's why this album was called Diamonds Are Forever. Oh, very nice album. Very nice album. Then that flips. And then, of course, a couple of photo mats inside the pocket. And then we have a pocket here. And that flips. And this flips. And we have some more diamonds. And this is using, and I know there's other crafters that probably done it. I had never seen it done within our mini albums. So I introduced it here, a month and a half ago. Might even been 2 months ago. And you just use your scraps up. I thought, what a wonderful way to use up our scraps. So then we have another belly band. Okay. That just slides right underneath there. And then that's that side. This is the very back of the album. Let me make sure I'm staying in camera here. So here's the other side. This flips open. Oops, I need to get further this way. And then I have another bow, and I just clipped a couple of the cards. And then we have another pocket. And that flips open. And there is some more diamonds. Just pretty neat. I really like this album. I hope you guys like it too. There's that. And then a couple of photo mats inside there. And I do have the tutorial for this on my website. So go check it out, ladies and gentlemen, if you're interested in this. Again, another big diamond. Oh, I gotta get in camera. And then this opens up like that. Beautiful. I love this paper collection. Wonderful collection. Closing this other side so I don't have to drag so much of it. Okay, so this opens. Now a couple of photo mats. And then we have a pocket here. And there's some more diamonds. And again, that another way to just kind of use up your strips in your collection. And then we have the belly band and another photo mat underneath there. And that's the back. So there's 4 different page styles. So you put 4 of them here, 4 of them here. Like I said, it's like a gatefold. It mirrors each side. Mirrors each other. So I hope you enjoyed this little album share. Like I said, if you're interested in purchasing the tutorial, I do have it for sale on my website, so go check it out. And that's it for today, guys. So hey, we will be talking soon. Talk to you later. Bye bye.